Hi dear students, welcome to today's class back. I hope that you all be fine. I have an advice for you today. Do you know what is that? Try to respect your parents as much as possible. Okay? Do you understand how to respect them? Yeah. And do it. It is a very good job. And best of luck in this issue. Okay, today we are going to study problems related to power. We studied in the previous lesson power. And we are going to study some problems for today. Okay, what is that? At first, in here written that write as power. There is a question or problem, write as power. You see that it is a root. The degree of this root is 3. And how we can write as power? Okay? At first we write the base. And what is the power of base? 1. We write in the numerator 1. And what is the degree? 3. Very simple. Okay? And how about this problem? This is the base is 8. The power of base is 3. And how about the degree of root? 5. It will go to denominator. And now this problem. 1. How about this? 5. What is the power of 5? 1. What is the degree of root? 3. It will go to the denominator. Okay, you can do more. For example, you can write instead of 8, 2 to the power of 3 and continue that. There is another example. 1 over square root of 8. How do you write as power? 1 over 8 is the base and power is 1. And how about the degree? 2. It will go to denominator. And I can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. And whole to the power of 1 over 2. This 3 will be multiplied. You studied the properties. 3 multiply 1 is 3. Divided by 2. Okay? And now another problem. Show that these two relations are true. Or these two properties are true. Okay? A to the power of n plus a to the power of n is not equal to this. By one example, I will show you. Instead of a, I write 2. Instead of n and m, I write 3 and 2. You can write any numbers. Okay, 2 to the power of 3 is equal to what? 8. And 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. How about 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Okay. Is 8 plus 4 equal to 32? No. Okay. And now the next example. The next property. A to the power of n minus a to the power of n is m is not equal to a to the power of n minus m. Example. 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 2. And here, what is n? What is n? 3. How much is m? 2. Okay? 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Okay, 4 is equal to 2? No, you're right. Write the following in simple 4. Write the following in simple 4. Listen, look, and try to understand. Okay, and here we have minus 2a whole to the power of 3. It means minus 2 is to the power of 3. And a is to the power of 3. How much is minus 2 to the power of 3? Negative 2, odd number in the previous lesson. It is minus a. And a to the power of 3. What is a? A is any number. 2, 3, 5, or any number. Okay, how about this problem? It means minus 6 is to the power of 2, and b square is b square, or b to the power of 2 is also to the power of 2. Okay, negative number to even power is positive. Minus 6 multiple minus 6 is 36. 36 b to the power of 2 multiple 2 is 4. Excellent. Now we have a division or fraction, and then we can simplify. 2 is to the power of 2, 2 is to the power of 3, 2 is to the power of 3, and a is to the power of 3. Okay, remember this. 2 multiplied 3 is 6. But b to the power of 2, 2 multiplied 3 is 6. Okay, you can write 2 to the power of 3 as 8, a to the power of 6, and b to the power of 6. And these are some problems about problems related to power. And we continue. Okay, dear students, now we continue problems related to power. Problem number 4. Write without negative. Okay, if we have a number with negative power, we have to change it to positive power. Okay, a b to the power of minus 2. I can send minus 2 to denominator, and it will change to a positive power. In here we have a negative power, but it is in denominator. Okay, we can send it to numerator in order to be what? A positive power. Okay, in here we have both of them are negative. I can change both of them. How? I write a fraction bar, and in here a to the power of minus 2 will go to the denominator. A to the power of minus 3 will go to numerator. Finish. Okay, in here we have a negative power, a fraction with negative power. Okay, I can change the place of both of them, and the power will be positive. Or I can write 2 over 5. And here, example number 5. We have the bases are equal in multiplication, but the powers are different. We add the power. Okay, 3 from these two bases, 3, and 5 plus minus 2 is 3. It means you have 5 rupees, but you have to pay 2 rupees. How much you have? 3 rupees. And here we have in division 2 to the power of n. I can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. Okay? From these two, we can have 1, and we subtract the power. Finished. This one, 5 to the power of t multiple 3 is how much? Excellent. 3t. And the last, remember this problem, 2. Okay, you have a number 14 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 0. Okay, you know that this 0 must be multiplied with 1. 0 multiplied 1 is 0. Multiply 2 is again 0. It means it can be 14 to the power of 0. How much is 14 to the power of 0? And 1. These problems are as a homework for you, and I know that you will do them. Best of luck. See you, and inshallah.